Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Night before a wedding. We have a wedding tomorrow. We have about an hour drive or so, give or take. Most of the stuff I have already packed in my car, my light, my chair, my table, already packed. But I need to go over my toolkit and my product kit. You know guys, I have 2 kits now. I'm 2 separate kits instead of the 1 kit. Whole situation. But yeah, I just want to go over it to make sure I have everything in there. I think all the girls are next, so I want to make sure I have enough bobby pins for all of them. Pretty sure all of the clients, all of the girls tomorrow are going to have extremely long hair, so I will be on a time crunch tomorrow. I have about 40 minutes per style. The thing is, I will only have to focus on hair. Another friend of mine, she is doing makeup, so that works out perfectly. It is nighttime. It is like 7 right now. I gotta be up by 5 and I really want to watch a movie tonight, so we're gonna get this going. Okay. I am in my home office. I'm not in my studio. It's so cold outside, and I just don't want to do that tonight. I don't want to go up there. So here is the kit, and let's open it up. We have our alcohol. Our brushes are all clean. Yes, 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 yes. We have padding just in case. We have our spray wax. We have our root coverage. Amazing. We have our brush, our alcohol, spray wax, powder. Amazing. My vanity is a mess, guys. Please don't judge. Teasing combs, brush, this one, combed up, our topsy tail, so many bobby pins. We're good on bobby pins for tomorrow. Dry shampoo, spray clay, yes, spray clay, yes. Volume up, yes, our volume spray. This right here is a must have in your kit, guys. It's a must. Also a must. We have our oil. We have our sanitizer. We love. Yes, we are all set for tomorrow. Guys, if you have not gotten these are from Ink Pewter, and these hold so much. They're also like adjustable, so if you need them a little bit more tighter, you can bend them, but these are amazing. I think I got them for like $4. Really good. I got this from Shein, and this is a rubber band cutter. Love it. And yeah, this one is all set. We love it, we love it. So, just gonna close her back up. Ready? Here we go with this one. We have our extended barrel, 1 inch if I'm not mistaken, and I love her. I use her since I've gotten her. I haven't used any other one. I've gotten her, and this is my first extended barrel. my first extended barrel, and I've had it where people say, oh, like don't buy the Bionic because they break, they're fragile. No, this is really good, especially for long hair. And the width of this gives you more of a wave than it would give you a curl. The smaller barrel, the 1 inch, you can manipulate the 1 inch to create a curl or a wave. This one right here, it's more of a wave. Pretty good. I love her. I love her tons. And so these are just extended, and so I can only put these on the sides. And I'm 25 weeks pregnant. I'm out of breath. So we have her here. Yep, we have our light, our wand, we have our towel, our extension cord. Always need an extension cord, guys. Always. Okay? Nothing in there, nothing in there. Cool. We got most definitely this one. This is our crimper. This is our crimper. I also have a smaller barrel. This is the 3/4 barrel. This is for our short girls. One more thing I have to do. I also add these two straighteners. They are both by Babyliss. This is our 1 inch. This one I added it because we sometimes have like our grandmas and our moms that have that shorter cuts, like the pixie cuts, and they have thinner hair or the little bang. And I think these work really good for those styles, especially this one, because outside of these plates get hot as well as the inside. And this is just a mini one, so it gets the little baby hairs. So I'm gonna add this one and this one. I use them on my hair, so that's why I'm adding them back into my kit. We love Babyliss, Hot Tools, and Bionic over here, guys, okay? Now, I always let my girls know that their hair has to be dried, clean and dried. But, you know, things happen more often than we want them to. So I also add my blow dryer. And that is this Bionic one. It's a little one. It's kind of heavy. Put it in there because you can never be too prepared, guys. You know, it's better to be overly prepared than to not be prepared at all. Okay. And then I am adding my Olivia Garden brushes. I have 2 of them, just 2 round brushes and a paddle brush. Also, again, you can never be too prepared. You don't know what happens, especially if we're in a time crunch and nobody else has a blow dryer. I will let them use my blow dryer, and we'll skip them that round. Also, you never know what happens. You know, I like to go by our timeline that we've created for the day, but you know, things happen. So if somebody were to have wet hair and to not get us all behind, I can offer, and I do offer, my blow dryer so they can go and blow dry their hair. We'll just skip them for that round and then have them join us next time. And then I always take my barbicide wipes because, you know, you never know. I like to clean my tables off, my combs. I carry an alcohol spray, but you know, barbicide gets our job done. So guys, also, I take change. I prefer, you know, hard. I prefer Zelle. I prefer, you know, just to keep track of everything. But you know, you never know. Not everybody has Zelle. Not everybody has Cash App, Apple Pay, Venmo, whatever, right? So I always keep change on me, like $30 and change, dollars, 5s, 10s, because, you know, depending on your pricing will depend on how much change you'll need. If they pay you 120s, you know, blah, 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 blah. So I do that. But yeah, guys. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys. So we are getting ready. It is 4:29. I want to get ready in about 7 minutes so I can make myself some breakfast. Pretty simple, cute outfit. Nothing crazy. But yeah. Very simple. We get our skincare on. I feel like I'm getting ready in double time today. I gotta make myself a cup of coffee before I leave, because I doubt there's gonna be a Dunkin' or Starbucks over there. And we are going to rest up when we're done today. Most definitely. Most definitely going to rest up after today. I've never slept on fire. Let's go in with our toasters. Heat is to buff everything into the skin. Go in with this palette. It's the El Maquillage face palette. We're going in with this baked one. Everything that they're making. The liner. Closes. And there we have it. Your skin, but better look. So I'll see you guys after my breakfast. Okay. We are all packed. Got our water, got our caffeine, and we are ready to go. It is literally 28 degrees today, guys. It's freezing today. Freezing. So let's get our GPS going. And we are actually going to be 6 minutes early. Amazing. So guys, I will see you guys later. Just got here, guys. Amazing. Somebody's awake. Hi guys, so we are all done. I had 6 hairs. I was done by 10:40, right on time, and we did about 20 minutes, about 10 minutes, 15 minutes of touch-ups. And it's 11:04 and I'm in my car. And these are these styles that I did today. Everybody loved their hair. I love the person that I worked with today. It was just an overall great day. It went from 20 degrees to 35 degrees, guys. So yeah, so thank you guys. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.